In this video, we will discuss about merge sort. We have already discussed merging procedure. Okay, so here we are discussing two-way merge sort. So in two-way merge sort, we need two lists and we merge them together. So only single element is sorted. Okay, we assume here that if we have only single element, then that element itself is sorted. So merge sort break into two half recursively. Okay, this merge sort will break this array into two half recursively until it reaches the one element. Okay, and now from there it will start merging procedure. Okay, whenever I'll trace this thing will be clear to you. So this merge sort will recursively divide or break this array, okay, in half, again into two element, again into one element. So one element is already sorted, then that single element would be merged together. So again this is how divide and conquer approach. Okay, so in merge sort we have passed array, lower bound and higher bound. 0 and 7 would be passed. Then if L is less than H, we need at least two element. We'll find out the mid L plus H, and I have performed the floor function into this. Okay, and then I'll recursively call merge sort, okay, from low to mid, and then again recursively call merge sort from mid plus 1 to high. And then this is important, merging procedure. Okay, after this two I'll call the merging procedure. So now let us prepare a recursive tree, then the things will be clear to you here. So my I'll call this merge sort for this array. Okay, array A, lower bound is 0, higher bound is 7. Okay, so L is less than H. I'll find out the mid. I'll write just mid here only. Okay, so 0 plus 7 divided by 2 and lower bound. So my mid is 3. Okay, now this call merge sort. Okay, merge sort from, I am ignoring this A, lower to mid. So 0 to 3. Okay, and there are two call for this function call of 0 to 7, but right now I am ignoring this and I am completing this call. Okay, so now again recursive call for this 0 to 3. 0 is less than 3. Let me find out the mid. Mid is 1. Okay, because 0 plus 3 divided by 2 and floor function, so that is 1. Now again let me call this. So for this call lower to mid, so 0 is lower and mid is 1. Okay, now again I'll call this merge sort for 0 and 1. So 0 is less than 1, again condition is true. So 0 plus 1 divided by 2. So now my mid is 0, and for this the merge sort call is lower to mid. So 0 to 0. Okay, 0 to 0, that means this 8 is splitted now. Okay, now for this call 0 to 1, this thing is completed, this thing is completed. Mid plus 1 to high. So mid is 0, so 0 plus 1, that is 1 to, and high is also 1, so another call is 1 to 1. This call, for this call mid plus 1 to height. So this 8, okay, and this 2. Okay, 8 and this 2. This 2 call gives us 8 and 2, and now we'll call this merging procedure. For this lower is 0, mid is 0 and high is 1. So we'll perform merging on this two element, and that merging procedure we have already discussed, that gives us 2 and 8. Okay, now similarly for this 0 and 1, this is completed. Now for this call of 0 and 3, we have calculated mid, that was 1. Merge sort 0 to 1 we have calculated. Now this mid plus 1 to high, that is nothing but mid plus 1, so 1 plus 1 2 and high is 3. Now let us call this merge sort. For this call 2 less than 3, calculate mid. 2 plus 3, 5 divided by 2 is 2. Okay. Now for this call merge sort, okay, 2 to 2 and 3 to 3. Mid plus 1 to high, that is 2 plus 1, 3 to 3. Okay. So now this 9 and 6 would be merged together, and that gives us 6 and 9. As we have discussed, merging, will perform merging two lists and arrange them in ascending order. Okay. Now for this 0 to 3 call, for this 0 to 3 call of merge sort, we have calculated mid, we have performed this also. This 0 to 1 is completed, this mid plus 1 to high, this one is completed, and now perform merging for this 2. So now we will perform merging on this 2. So it will compare I and j. So 2 would be copied, I would be incremented, set it here. 8 and 6 would be compared, so 6 would be copied, then 8 and then 9. This procedure we have already discussed. Okay. Now from this side here, so for this 0 to 7 we have completed. For this call 0, 7 mid is calculated, that is 3. We have called this merge sort. Low to mid is completed. Now merge sort mid plus 1 to high, so 4 to 7. Okay. And then again for this call 4 is less than 7. Okay. My mid is 5, so 4 to 5, low to mid. Okay. 4 to 5, and again if we call this gives us 4, 4 and 5, 5. So now 3 and 5 merged together, and that gives us 3 and 5. Now again for this 4 to 7, this one is completed. Okay. Now right hand side mid plus 1 to high, so 6 to 7. Again that gives us 6 to 6 and 7 to 7. So 6 and 7 merged together, and that gives us 4 to 7. Okay. So now for this call 4 and 7, this one is complete, mid is calculated, this merge sort is called, this one is called, merging procedure is remaining. So now on this 2 merging would be performed. Okay. So on this 2 merging would be performed, that gives us 3, 4, 5 and 7. Okay. So now for this call 0 and 7 we have calculated mid, that is 3. We have called this merge sort. Low to mid, that is 0 to 3, that is completed. We have done this mid plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 to 7. This one is completed. Okay. Now perform merging on low, mid and high. So this for this and this merging would be performed. Okay. That procedure would be called, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This procedure we have already discussed in my earlier video. So that gives us this. So this is how merge sort works. And again similarly, similar to quick sort. Okay. If this procedure would take complexity of n, and height of this tree is log n. So n multiply log n is the complexity of this merge sort. Okay. And there is no worst case or best case for this merge sort. This is the only case for merge sort, and that gives us the complexity of n log n.